Week 8, day 2, we are doing a work mat. Hope you've already got that set up and maybe you were able to do this on your own today. Let's check. So our number is 416. The first thing it asks us to do is word form. So if I do word form, remember you just write whatever you would read. So that's 416. 416. Check your spelling, correct it. No reason to get it wrong if I'm writing it on here, so you can correct that. Remember, there's no and in there. It's just 416. Okay, then we are doing expanded form. I'm gonna write that. You don't have to, but it is good for your brain. So expanded form, we have 400, then we have 10, then we have 6. Remember, we're just telling the value of each digit. All right, the next square, we are rounding to the nearest 10. So if I have 416, I'm only looking at the 10s and 1s. So if I do my rounding, then I would have 10 and 20 and 15. And I would show where 16 is, and obviously that is above 15, so it rounds to 20. So this rounds to 420. I just put the 4 in front of the 20. I'm only looking at the 16, round it to the nearest 10, and then put the 4 back. Makes it pretty simple to round to 10 within any size number. Okay, rounding to the nearest 100. If I take 416, my two closest hundreds are 400 and 500. Halfway is going to be the 50. 416 is really close to 400. So I know that I'm rounding to 400. So to the nearest 100 is 400. This is the work you should show. If you haven't done that, pause, rewind, go back, write this in that box. You need the practice. All right, now the next one. We are adding 395. So we're starting with the number we're given. We're adding 395. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry my 1, that's another 11. And then we have 811. Let's see if our answer is reasonable by rounding. This would be round to 400. This rounds to 400. If I add that together, that's 800. So my answer is reasonable. The next one is subtract 137, I believe. Yep, 137. So 416 minus 137. Can I take away 7 from 6? No. Regroup. 1 becomes a 0. 6 becomes a 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. Can I take away 3 from 0? No. That becomes a 3. Shift a 10. 279. Remember, I can check. 279 plus 137. I got what I started with, so I know I'm right. All right.